I'm Komal and welcome back to my channel. So in today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make Paneer Do Pyaaza. And this Paneer Do Pyaaza basically is derived from Mughal cuisine, where it is going to have a blend of tomatoes, onions and the succulent paneer, which is going to definitely tickle your taste buds. This is a super exciting recipe, guys, so I hope you enjoy watching this one. So let's begin. So we're going to begin first with pan frying some veggies. In goes in first onions. We're not going to over fry them, it is just going to be 60%, so the crunchiness is maintained. And next I have added some capsicum. Again, just pan frying it for like hardly 2 or 3 minutes and taking it off. And next, in the same oil, I am going to add in slices of paneer. We're going to wait till it is golden brown in color, and likewise we're going to flip it again and let it cook. So this is going to be on medium to low flame. And once both the sides are properly cooked, we're going to dip all these paneer slices in warm water. So what happens is, A, the oil is extracted, and second, again paneer becomes super soft. And then I'm adding some Shahi Jeera. And now I'm going to add in some roughly chopped onions. Okay, once they become transparent, I'm going to add in a big spoon of ginger and garlic paste. To speeden up the cooking, I have added some turmeric, some salt, and after this some coriander powder. And now goes in tomatoes. And now after all this, we're going to add a big spoon of red chilli powder. And now goes in a big spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Guys, if you would have noticed, I've not added any green chilies or red chilies, but I've added a red chili powder. Why? Because it gives a beautiful color. Okay, once we're done with this, I'm just going to add some water and going to keep this on a low flame with a lid on for all the veggies to cook properly inside. After this, we're going to grind this into a paste, and that paste is going to be then filtered through a strainer till you get a nice and a silky paste out of it. Okay, in a fresh pan now I've added some butter for a good flavor. And after the butter is heated, I'm going to add in some whole spices and bay leaf. I've added a stick of cinnamon and some Shahi Jeera. And after this, we're going to add in our gravy. Just look at the color, guys, without even adding any food color, which generally at every restaurant they do. But even without adding the color, just see the amazing red color that we have achieved by just adding in red chili powder. Letting this boil for a minute or two, and then we're going to add in some garam masala. And after this, just to balance the sourness, we're going to add in around half teaspoon of sugar. In goes in kasuri methi. And after this, we're going to add in all our fried veggies. Okay, first goes in onions, some capsicum. Mix it in. And it's the time for the hero of the recipe, which is paneer. So we're just going to softly place all of these paneer slices in our gravy. And now we're going to mix and coat all these slices in the gravy. So what happens is, The paneer soaks in all the liquid from the gravy and becomes extremely juicy and soft. And now, depending on your consistency, guys, you can add in water or not do this, but I think my gravy looks a little tight, so I've added some water. And with very soft hands, I'm just going to mix everything together and let this boil for a minute or two. And now reaching the last part of our dish, which is going to be our last tempering. For this, I've taken some butter, and once the butter is nice and hot, we're going to add around ½ teaspoon of red chilli powder. Turn off the flame and we are going to add this tempering to our gravy. And we are almost done with our dish, guys. So a paneer do pyaaza is ready, and you can tell how rich and creamy this dish looks. The succulent paneer and plenty of onions in a wonderful medley of spices, herbs and tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, you know the drill to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.